Hello students. We'll, Today we'll discuss about the chemical reactions and its type of chemical reactions. First of all, subscribe my channel Learning with me and press the bell icon to get notifications and to get more and more videos. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the chemical reactions and its type. Chemical reactions are of different types. One is combination reaction, next one is decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Today we'll discuss about combination reactions and decomposition reaction. So first of all, our combination reactions. When magnesium burns in oxygen, it forms a white dazzling flame of magnesium oxide. So Mg, magnesium plus oxygen, when burns in oxygen, magnesium ribbon is burned in oxygen, it produces magnesium oxide, MgO, and to balance it, first 2 is multiplied, then here 2 multiply, so here the magnesium reacts with or bonds in oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Similarly, hydrogen, when bonds in oxygen, it produces water, H2O. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. To balance it, 2 is multiplied here 2 is multiplied. So the reaction is hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water, that is H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So this is one such example. Similarly, carbon reacts with oxygen or carbon bonds in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide gas. Carbon is a solid which bonds in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide gas. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrochloric acid, HCl, and to balance it, 2 is multiplied here, so that H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl, carbon dioxide gas is formed. When lime is added to water, it produces calcium hydroxide. So lime, whose formula is CaO, calcium oxide plus water, it produces calcium hydroxide, CaO, lime. When it is added to water, it produces calcium hydroxide. So this lime, when added to water, it produces calcium hydroxide, and some heat is released also, plus some heat is released. This is also an example of exothermic reactions. Similarly, sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide, SO3. So to balance it, oxygen, this side 6, so this side, so 2 multiplied, 2 sulfur, oxygen 6, So sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen to produce sulfur trioxide. Similarly, ammonia reacts with HCl, ammonia NH3 plus HCl to produce ammonium chloride. This is an example of combination reaction because ammonia combines with HCl to produce ammonium chloride. Similarly, carbon monoxide CO reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. So as to balance it, so to balance it, oxygen is 2, here plus 1 3, so it is 3 multiplied 3 CO2, so 3 CO2 plus it produces carbon monoxide plus oxygen produces carbon dioxide. So to balance, so 2 multiplied 2, oxygen is 4, so if it is 2 multiplied, oxygen 2 plus 2 4 and carbon is also 4. So the reaction is combination reactions. Similarly, carbon reacts with oxygen producing carbon dioxide gas. Also carbon monoxide reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide gas. This is an example of combination reactions. So that means combination reaction is a reaction in which two reactants combine together to form another substance. So this type of reaction is called combination reaction. Then we will discuss about decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Number 2 is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a molecule or a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances. That means breaks up into two or more simpler substances. If one molecule or compound is AB, it splits up into A plus B. So if we and decomposition reactions are of three types. Number 1 is thermal decomposition reaction. Number 2 is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Number 3 is photolytic decomposition reaction. So decomposition reactions are of three types: thermal decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction and photolytic decomposition reaction. We will discuss one by one. What is first of all thermal decomposition reaction? Thermal decomposition reaction. Example is when calcium carbonate is heated, it produces calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So CaO plus CO2. Calcium oxide is heated, it produces calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. That means calcium carbonate splits up into or breaks up into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, and some heat is required, so that this type of reaction is called thermal decomposition reaction, because heat is required. Lead nitrate on decomposition, that means when it is heated it produces lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Lead nitrate, so PbNO3 whole 2, PbNO3 whole 2, when it is heated it produces lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Nitrogen dioxide gas is released, oxygen also gas is released. Lead nitrate, which is brown, in color. It produces lead oxide, which is a yellow solid. Lead oxide, which is a yellow solid, and nitrogen dioxide, which is reddish brown. So lead nitrate on decomposition, or when it is heated, it produces lead oxide plus NO2 plus O2, and if we balance it, that means 2 PbO plus 4 NO2. So lead nitrate on decomposition produces this. Similarly, potassium chlorate, KClO3, when it is heated, it produces potassium chloride plus oxygen. So for balancing 2, it is 6, so plus 3O2. It is also an example of decomposition reactions, thermal decomposition reactions. Then electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction. When electric current is passed through acid diluted water, it splits up into hydrogen and oxygen. Electric current is passed through acid diluted water. So H2O, when electric current is passed through it, electric current passed through it, it splits up into H2 plus O2. Similarly, when NaCl, electricity is passed through NaCl, it produces Na plus Cl2. That means to balance it, this electric current is passed through it. Then another case is decomposition reaction, photoelectric decomposition, photoelectric or photolytic decomposition reaction. Photoelectric or photolytic decomposition reaction. That means when if we take an example of when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it produces silver mirror plus chlorine gas. That means 2AgCl is 2Ag plus Cl2. When silver chloride is exposed to sunlight, it produces silver 2Ag plus Cl2. Similarly, also silver bromide, when exposed to sunlight, it produces white silver mirror plus chlorine, and this is the silvery gray color. It produces this type of reactions. So this is about decomposition reactions. In the next class we will discuss about the another two types of reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reactions in detail.